Windows 11 version 25H2, not installing error code 0x80070306, is commonly caused by corrupted Windows Update components, damaged system files, or problems with services required to install major feature updates. This error typically appears when Windows encounters an issue while processing or applying the update package. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First, open the Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click Windows Update and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Open the Recovery tab. In Second Failure, select Restart the Services. Press Start or Restart if the service is enabled. Now run Windows Update. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the windows and run Windows Update.